In many mechanical fastener installations, it's important to countersink the fastener in order to reduce the splice profile. Countersinking requires the removal of a portion of the belt's top cover. Removing the top cover will not affect the strength of the belt. Once a portion of the top cover is removed, the installed fastener's top plate profile is lessened in order to accommodate other conveyor equipment, such as belt cleaners and belt plows. The FSK Skiver has been designed to simplify the job of removing the belt's top cover. The FSK Skiver is portable and lightweight, plus its compact size makes it easy to carry and use, even in cramped operating environments. Designed for use on rubber-covered belts with top covers of 4.5 millimeters or more, the FSK Skiver can be adjusted to provide skives from 1.5 millimeters to 10 millimeters in a single pass. Deeper skives can be achieved with multiple passes. Prior to operating the FSK Skiver, be sure to keep hands and fingers away from the blade and drive rollers. Once you've determined the depth of the skive you need, turn the blade adjusting screw to select the desired blade depth. Next, unlock the cam lever and slide the fence to the desired fastener size. Once you've selected the fastener size, relock the cam lever. Now place the FSK Skiver next to the belt, positioning the edge of the belt between the front drive rollers and against the fence. When the tool is properly positioned, the belt should just touch the blade edge. Be sure the blade is positioned to cut only the top cover and not the fabric of the belt. FSK recommends leaving at least 1 millimeter of rubber cover over the carcass. Turn the clamp adjusting screw clockwise in order to tighten the drive rollers against the belt. Now pull the ratchet towards you to begin skiving. FSK recommends always working the tool towards you instead of away from you. At this point, physically check the depth of the skive since the markings on the FSK Skiver are for general reference only. If the skiver begins to slip, simply tighten the clamp adjusting screw. Now ratchet the skiver across the width of the belt. You will need to maintain some side pressure in order to keep the belt placed firmly against the fence. And please remember that when skiving, the scrap cut must remain in contact with the belt, and both the scrap cut and the belt must feed between the rear drive rollers. Once you've ratcheted the skiver completely off the end of the belt, the skive is complete. Now you may remove the scrap cut. If a deeper cut is required, simply make a second pass with the FSK Skiver.